Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor, and what a day it is for these Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens has been pumping from the past 12 hours or so like crazy, like there is no tomorrow. And in my previous video, I said that this week and the next week are going to be critical for these Lumens because we are about to enter this cloud that you see here. And I told you guys that this cloud can act as big resistance for Stellar Lumens. But I also said that if we are able to go inside this cloud will actually start acting as support. So this is what happens. So you are looking at the Stellar Lumens USD chart, which is fetched from Poloniex. And this is a weekly chart, by the way. What is this red cloud? This red cloud and green clouds here, these refer to the Ichimoku clouds, and they are amazing. I mean, they are so useful in finding out the resistances and support, the future support and future resistance, and current support and current resistances. So I use them often on my charts and I find them super useful. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see that as I zoom in, we saw some resistance when we were entering it, and I want you guys be careful because we want this to go inside this cloud, and this is exactly what has happened so far. So there are like 4 days left for this week to close: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and boy, it looks like we are going to break out big time. Good volume is coming in, and we're inside this cloud now. There's no resistance from here till 10 cents or so, and after that I have deployed Fibonacci here, and we can see that the next resistance is at 14.0146, so 14 cents something. And after that, the next resistance is at 22 cents. And then at 34, 43, 54. So those are long-term targets for you guys, not the short-term ones. These are for the people who like to hold on to their coins, who don't want to day trade, who don't have time for the pump and dump, the people who want to invest in quality projects and they can carry on with their usual lives. Everybody has a job, everybody has a business. I am a businessman. I don't have time to look at the charts all day. So other than cryptocurrency thing, I do a lot of other stuff. This is the weekly chart, and let me show you something else. This is the monthly chart, and for the first time, we have turned green on the monthly chart. This is super critical. I had mentioned this in the previous videos that look out for this. The sellers are running out of steam, and we may flip to the green side big time. And you see this white line here? This white line is a 20-day moving average, and this was acting as mega resistance so far. The moment we went down beneath this 20-day moving average on the monthly, we fell down big time. All of our tries were nullified. We went down further. However, we found support at about 0.2 cents or 0.25 cents, and then we started moving up. This happened, by the way, in the month of March, and since then we have been moving up, and for the first time it looks like we are going to close above this 20-day moving average on the monthly time frame. Also, look at this. This is the MACD, and this is a very important indicator which shows you whether we are bullish or bearish, and for the first time we have a bullish crossover on the monthly. I cannot stress how bullish I am on Stellar Lumens right now. This is the weekly chart, and let's take a look at the daily chart real quick. Let me change the moving average also. So this is the daily chart. On the daily chart, this is a USD chart again. We are above the 200-day moving average, which has acted as support. You can see that here, and there is absolutely not much resistance from where we are till 14 cents. So this was an important breakout for us, because previously too we tried to get above. We were above this 200-day moving average, but we lost the momentum. We turned on the bearish. We had a bearish crossover on the MACD, and we went down. And as soon as we went down below the 200-day moving average, we fell really hard. We found the support here, and then we went back up. So things are looking really nice for the Stellar Lumens. Let's take a look at the BTC chart real quick. So let me go back to weekly time frame. So extremely bullish. Let me change this as well. 20 day. So we are, look at this. This is thing of beauty. The 20-day moving average acted as support while we were just about to enter this cloud, and now this is going to act as mega support. Also notice this blue line and red line of Ichimoku clouds. This cloud, these are moving averages, and we are above both of these moving averages. Very bullish. Stellar is looking amazing right now, and there is not much resistance from here till 1700 sats. This is what I said in the previous video. If we are able to enter this cloud, and if we are able to close higher than 730 sats or 710 sats or something, there is not much resistance between here and 1700 sats. And if we complete this trade, we will be making about 139% in profits in terms of Satoshi. So awesome stuff. So this is the weekly chart of the Stellar Lumens. Let's look at the monthly chart. Like the USD chart, we are about to have a bullish crossover on the MACD. We're about to flip green, and you can see that this 1195 sats is going to act as mega resistance. This is the monthly resistance, and it is very important for the Stellar Lumens to go above it. So look out for 1200 sats. We must close above 1200 sats this month, because after that the next point of resistance is at around 2600 sats, and then at 3200 sats. Stellar is looking amazingly well, and this moving average of Ichimoku, we are already above it. This acted as resistance in the past. You can see that here we got rejected by this blue line, and here also we got rejected and we went down. So we were never able to close above this blue line until now. So far so good. Stellar Lumens is looking awesome right now. So how is its little, or I should say bigger brother, Ripple, doing? Let's just take a look at this. It's BTC pair. So Ripple is also looking good, but see this blue moving average, we are underneath it, and the Ripple must close above 2300 sats or something this month. On the weekly time frame, the Ripple is looking good. Finally, we have a bullish crossover on the weekly, so we might be able to flip the 2300 sats this month. The next resistance is at 20, again on the weekly time frame as well. It's on the 2300 sats, and also the 20-day moving average is also around that mark. After that, the next mega bullish resistance is at 2900 sats, and after that we will be entering this cloud. If you are able to enter this cloud successfully, there is then no resistance till 5500 sats or something. I think Ripple will be able to do it finally this time, if the Ripple company stops dumping their coins. I really hope they do. I hope this rally is success, because Ripple holders have suffered a lot. Just look at that. It has been going down since December 2018. And I think, and this was also really painful to see, Ripple holders capitulating. I hope the Ripple company stops dumping on its holders and finally goes into bull territory. So that's all about it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button. That's all I want from you guys. And stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis.